watching mga ka-soul. Please don't forget to follow our page, likes, comments, and share, and follow our TikTok account and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless us all.